Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. It's Bob with Homestead with Sadie. So today we're going to continue the new chicken coop build. So,
chicken coop poo?
Chicken coop build. I'm actually going to build the egg hatch right here. I'm going to cut the screen.
The egg hatch?
What are you going to call them?
The nesting box?
Yeah, nesting box, that's what it was. So I'm going to actually build them right here. Kind of like I did on the old one, but it's going to actually be outside the screen, so all you have to do is pick it up and you'll be able to get the eggs without having to go inside. So, back at it we go.
What I need to figure out there is how far out this is.
This will work. So right now what I need is a pair of cutters, wire cutters. Is that on the edge?
Mm.
We'll hold that right there for now. Get out of there. One of the chickens is pecking my leg. Hey, how's my leg taste?
Maybe you had to shoot. Yep, that's level.
That's level.
This is almost, I mean, it could be up a little higher. Okay, so we flipped it over. And now we're reattaching it.
Oh, what are you pushing it for?
Oh, I don't know.
I had it where I had
I was
it.
holding it for you.
I had her. I had her where I needed it. I need to come through, probably underneath. It'll come right here on the side, so I can grab it. I need to know when that outside is at 16.
Okay. Tiny bit, tiny, yeah, right there, 16. Oops, moved it.
Oh, no, down. Right there.
16 right there.
Somehow we gotta go down one.
Oh, gotta go in right there.
There we go. And that'll keep the straw in. here, put a half board in or a however board, so I can mount the door opener. And I'm actually going to build it off the bottom over there to come over and up. That way, when you pick it to move the coop, the whole thing goes. And eventually, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to build a roost from corner to edge, and it'll all be attached to the frame, so that when you move it, it moves. The whole thing. We'll move together at one time. Plenty of room. I got an actual handle to put on it, but no, I'm not going to put it on because you don't need it. In? Framed out the nesting box. So I'll get ready to go get some more of the planks to cut, so I can get it in there and start laying it out on the inside. But it's actually come together fairly easier than I thought it was going to be, I think. So you get some boards so I can get some cut. I'm going to go on the back side of this all the way across. This way, they're underneath the metal overhang. And what I have to do is I'm going to notch this so that when the roof I put on, it's going to actually go all the way up to these on the back side. So it'll be under here and it'll be protected from no rain going down in the crease. That wood ain't that thick either. Yeah, it's hard to break out. Hard to break it up. No. No, that's wood chips. We can get ready to get now.
Alright, so we just need to put the door on. And
Put
then
the door on, I cut these boards underneath.
cut what boards underneath?
These ones, they're not level.
Oh, I like how that looks. You can leave those like that. So then, like I was saying, we just need to put the door on and disassemble the old coop because we can't get it out the door. So we're going to take it apart. But then put the ramp over here and then the chickens will have a happier home. All right, here's inside the big old roosting bar.
Straighten that.
Huh?
Push it this way.
Gypsy's checking it out. Let's see if I can see her from the nesting box.
Did she go in there?
Oh!
Nelly!
Oh, I didn't know Nellie was in there. She was in the nesting box. Scared me. All right, well, there's Gypsy's tail.
Well, they know where to go now.
Well, yeah. Helped taking the doors off and the ramp and putting it over here. Because then they're like, oh, this is familiar. So,
Ramp. Now, wow, that was backfired. Now secured to that. So now we don't have to remove nothing. Well, once I get everything else done. Now when we pick it up to move it, everything will go at one time, so it don't have to come back and redo it. Now watch this. Ready? Chip, 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 chip.
all right, so then we just got to put the hardware cloth over the hose.
Then we'll drill a couple more holes in here.
And then we're done. So the new chicken coop.
Huh?
It's the new chicken coop.
It is the new chicken coop. Now I think this one definitely needs a name.
Yeah, we need to put a name across. So if anybody has any suggestions on the name, let us know and we will put a sign up. So, all right, let's take a break and get some water. All right, so here's the finished house. Got the automatic door. We put a little window with shutters on it from the old coop. And then there is their nesting boxes right there. So if you like this video build or this video coop build, don't forget to hit subscribe, the bell for notifications, and we will see you on the next video.